I'm Dorjilamu from Upper TCV School. I read in class 10D. Today I'm going to give a presentation on our science exhibit model. The title of our exhibit model is Multi-Dimensional Rainwater Harvesting, and the sub-theme is Lifestyle for Environment. So before I begin with my presentation, I would like to talk about the reason behind making this project. The reason behind making this project is that, like here in Dharamsala, we have a high intensity of rainfall. If we just let go of the rainwater, it causes problems such as gutter clogging, road blockage, landslide, and flood. To avoid such things and capturing the water and make the best use of it, we have made this project. And not only that, we have used the rainwater for power generation and also for reusing the rainwater for domestic purposes. So this was the reason behind making these projects. So let me begin with my presentation. In my presentation here we have 3 units. First unit is self-cleaning mechanism. Second unit we have a power generation, and the third unit we have a water filtration unit. In the first unit we have this one. We have a PVC pipe. Okay, this is the inlet when the rainwater is here in like this. So when the rainwater comes from here, this is the inlet, and it comes in and then it moves in a circular motion. Here the scientific principle involved is centrifugal force and cohesion of water. The water falls down and it falls out from here. We have this wire mesh, perforated wire mesh, and also this plastic cylindrical shape perforated. Here, like from this wire mesh, the water in here, that perforated plastic mesh, the water oozes out better from here. So when the water falls out of here, it will be collected here, and the natural debris and the dirt will automatically flush out from here. The water that get collected here will be, this is the outlet. The filtered water will be, comes out from here. This was all about the first stage, and the second stage we have this power generation unit, and here we have this hydro turbine generator unit, a generator, and a shaft, and a turbine. When the water enters from here, it falls down, and it falls down with a gravitational force, and when it comes in the middle, the water moves in a circular motion that causes a vortex. That is a scientific principle involved here, and another scientific principle involved here is conservation of angular momentum. So when the water moves in a circular motion, that leads the blade to rotate, and when the blade rotates, the shaft is connected to the generator, and the power is generated. Okay, that's how it works. And moving on to the last and the final stage, we have this water filtration unit. In water filtration unit, there are 2 parts. So first part is sediment filtration unit. When the water enters from here, here we have this microfiber mesh. The water enters here, and all the sediments will be collected here. And then the water will move to the second part. Here, the water will outlet from here, and it will enter into this part. In here, we have put this layer. So I can't show you from, as it is sealed. So here we put this layer inside of this. So what we have inside of this is that at the top layer we have crushed sandstone and pebbles, and in between we have this microfiber mesh. So the crushed sandstone pebbles help in sediment filtration, and also at the second layer we have activated charcoal, which helps in killing bacteria, pathogens, and germs. And the last and the final layer we have braided pine leaves. It also works same as the activated charcoal, but the extra benefit of this is that it gives lots of minerals, which is beneficial to our body. And not only that, it gives nowadays people are using it as a substitute of green tea. So all these 3 units are in continuous process, like the water filtration unit, self-cleaning mechanism, power generation unit, and the last and the final stage, water filtration unit. All these 3 units are in continuity. That is all about my presentation.